Hello guys, this is raw filter. This customer from US, FISCHER. Yeah, custom drum model 30. Yeah, now open and check all filter before send to customer. Yeah, this is custom. We make 3 pipe. Yeah, 3-incher, 2 and 1 2-incher. This for water come inside. Yeah, after cleaning, 2 pipe, 3-incher go out. This pipe for pump and connection this. Yeah, this connect for easy more pump. Yeah, customer order. And now we check everything. Stainless steel, UV light. Yeah, and now open control board. First power, have light. First open timer. Yeah, timer work 15 seconds and 30 minutes he stop. Every time circulate, open, close, open, close. This can regulate. I show for you another video how do this. Yeah, okay. This is the first system by timer. Second system by float switch. Yeah, when water come to flow switch and turn on, all system activate. Activate motor reductor, same you see now, and activate pump. Pump we have here. This number 3. 1, 2, 3. This pump. Pump here. This need connect. Be careful. 110 volt. This. Yeah. Okay. Check again. Okay. Yeah. This can regulate this. Small time, this maximum some seconds, 5 and 1 minute maximum. Yeah. Now check middle. Yeah. Good when he do one rotate and clean all mesh and stop. This enough for him. This around 15 seconds he do. Yeah. Okay. This ready. This ready. Okay, now manual check. Так, turn left. Control this only motor reductor. Yeah, you can see now. Turn right. This motor reductor with pump. Yeah, important. This is only for service mode. Left and right. This for service. Automatical mode. This only middle. Like this. He must stay every time by middle. By middle work timer and flow switch. Yeah. Okay, he must work only automatical. This is very important. Okay. Left, right, and now smaller. Check float switch. Yeah. Okay, everything work. Yeah. You see this short time. Little open. Okay, pipe all connect, everything okay. Yeah, these two. Okay, ready to put in wood box and send to customer. Okay, thank you. If you have some question, write for me and I help. Okay, bye bye.